Here at Porsche South Bay, as a 10-time winner of the Premier Dealer Award, that level of excellence has become a culture here.
When I came into Porsche South Bay, it was an experience like I've never had before. Just to walk around the showroom and see all the amazing selection here is incredible.
Come enjoy our custom fitting lounge and build your own Porsche from the ground up. As a Premier dealer, we bring Porsche heritage together with modern technology.
The heritage that's in every one of these vehicles, it's an amazing experience.
Porsche South Bay is Los Angeles' only Porsche Classic partner, which means we sell, service, and maintain all of the classic Porsches.
We're a Porsche Premier dealer because we invest in the training, the facility, but most importantly, we listen to our customers.
Porsche South Bay has really exceeded my expectations. They're always very accommodating. They take care of all my needs. It's the most comfortable experience. Porsche South Bay is one very impressive dealership.